What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be installing the Mishimoto Intercooler on our Ford Bronco. When it comes to a turbocharged vehicle, heat is public enemy number one. Because of this, cooling mods are of extreme importance, especially the intercooler. The intercooler helps cool the air after it's compressed in the turbocharger. Cooler air is denser air. The more air we can feed the engine, the greater power your engine can make. The Mishimoto Intercooler boasts a 77% increase in core volume and a 175% increase in surface area over the OEM intercooler. This will help keep your charge air temps low when you put the pedal to the metal or when you're out on the trails. In fact, initial testing has shown post-intercooler temps dropping 21 degrees on the tested 2.3 and 16 degrees on the 2.7. Heat soak will soon be a thing of the past with the Mishimoto Intercooler. Cooling properties aren't the only thing you should consider when talking about intercoolers. You should also consider airflow. The Mishimoto Intercooler claims that it is 7% less restrictive than the OEM unit. While this may not seem like much, it really is a balancing act between maximizing airflow and cooling power, and we believe that the Mishimoto found a sweet spot in this regard. Mishimoto opted for a denser fin design inside of the core, which puts an emphasis on cooling power, but the cast aluminum end tanks are an improvement over the OEM, resulting in greater airflow. This intercooler also does increase both horsepower and torque after installing it. Gains of 5.6 horsepower and 5.3 foot-pounds of torque were observed on the 2.3, while the 2.7 saw gains of 6.5 horsepower and 6.5 foot-pounds of torque. You can likely expect some even higher numbers when paired with the tune. This intercooler fits in the stock location and retains all OEM functionalities, including adaptive cruise control and the 360-degree cameras if your Bronco came equipped with it. It is also backed by Mishimoto's signature lifetime warranty. Now that we've learned a little bit about the Mishimoto Intercooler and why you should get one for your Bronco, let's hop in the shop and get this bad boy installed. First, remove the 6 15mm bolts securing the front skid plate. Next, detach the 2 lower mounting bracket covers. Now disconnect the hot and cold side intercooler pipes. Remove the 2 15mm mounting bracket bolts. Keep at least 1 bolt loose to prevent the intercooler from falling. Repeat on both sides. Transfer over the mounting bushings from the stock intercooler. Attach the CNC inlet and outlet flanges with the 10mm bolts. Torque to 7 foot-pounds. Slide the intercooler back in and loosely attach mounting brackets to hold it in place. Note, this may take 2 people. Once the intercooler is in place, tighten the bracket bolts. I Now reconnect the hot and cold side intercooler pipes. If you have the 2.7, this is where the fan shroud would reattach. Reattach the mounting bracket cover. Now you can put the skid plate back on. So there you have it, guys. We just installed the Mishimoto Intercooler on our 2.3 liter Bronco. If you guys are interested in picking up a Mishimoto Intercooler for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. If you guys like this video, make sure you're smashing that like button. If you want to see more Bronco content, make sure you subscribe and have the notification bell clicked. And if you've got a comment for us, go ahead and drop it below. Thanks for watching.
In the beat!